Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the CEYOMUR wildlife camera. It is a improved model. It's a new version of it because there are really good things in that, which is a life-saving option. 24 megapixel pictures and 1080p HD, full HD in video. CEYOMUR hunting camera with 120 degrees detection angle, with loop recording and night vision, with motion activation, and is waterproof for hunting, for wildlife watching, and of course for your garden and indoor too. Great 24 megapixel pictures and 1080p HD videos. This wildlife camera delivers fantastic and vibrant 24 megapixel photos and clearly audible 1080p HD videos that show us a fabulous moments of the wildlife with every detail. It's an upgraded integrated design and a powerful waterproof performance. This wildlife cam has an improved integrated housing design, and this allows us to easily use a DC adapter, which is not included because it's an optional thing, without having to plug and unplug the cable. IP66 waterproof outer shell, rubber sealing ring, and a robust housing lock enhance the water resistance, and an easy lens angle adjustment. This is the best thing here in this cam. You do not have to do this approximately. No, it's easy to adjust the line of view. Thanks to the same side of the lens and the LCD screen, we can easily adjust the lens angle and position with this wildlife camera. It is easy and convenient for us to remove condensation on the lens by simply opening the camera's body. And 120 degrees wide detection angle and adjustable field of view. This wildlife camera is equipped with a central 60 degrees PIR sensor in the center and two side 30 degrees PIR sensors, which allows it to detect objects within 120 degrees. We have to choose to turn the side sensor on or off in the menu, this giving us a wider and narrower field of view and possible of loop recording and multiple functions. This wildlife camera can overwrite the old photos and videos when the SD card is full. The wildlife cam has multiple functions, including photo number, time interval, timer, time lapse, brightness of the LEDs, PIR sensitivity, and password protection. But it is not limited to novel functions such as slideshow and bright protection, etc. So feel free with that awesome cam. It's really easy. We install 8 brand new AA alkaline or lithium batteries, which are not included, of course. We recommend that the batteries from one brand, it's better for the power. We do not mix new and old batteries. We do not mix different brands. We shall do that, okay? We do not have to mask that. It will be works too, but it's better to do that. Or we choose the external power supply, if it is available. The external power supply is output 6 volt 2 ampere. The DC in plug size is an external power supply plug size with 3.5 mm to 1.35 mm. You can buy this in the aftermarket. And then you can use that as power supply for indoor. And that's cool, because then you will not need any battery. Then, the next step, we insert the SD card using a Class 6 or faster SD card and up to 32 GB, which is not included. We insert the reverse side of the SD card into the card slot in off mode. We don't insert or remove the SD card while the power switch is on or test position. Before inserting the SD card into the card slot after opening the camera's front cover, we should make sure that the right protection switch on the side of the card is off, not in lock position. And then formatting is the SD card by using the format memory card parameter before using the for the first time is recommended, especially when a card has been used in other devices. And format this in FAT, okay, FAT. Then we switch to the test mode. The screen lights up. We choose our language, then we set the time and date. We format our SD card after this, okay? And then we can start with our wildlife journey, okay? Then we switch to on position, and that means motion detection. And the indicator flash, blue lights, 5 seconds. The screen will turn black and the camera is still working now. The options are then default settings are photo resolution 5 megapixel, interval is 30 seconds, the photo series is 1, and photo or video is on photo. So you have to choose if you like video or time-lapse, what you like. That you can perform easily by pushing the menu button, and then you can choose what you like. Okay, we adjust the settings by pressing the menu button in test mode to meet our using requirements. For example, off-on test mode, the CEYOMUR tray camera has been 3 basic operations modes. Off means shut off everything. On means, okay, now we are operating and the cam will be start working. Test is the adjust and setup mode, okay? In the test mode, we can choose what we need. And the working mode, make sure that the power switch is on position, okay? We do not leave it in test. That's not good because there is nothing happened. Once we switch to the on mode, the left light indicator's LED blue will blink for about 5 seconds. This gives us time to close and lock the front cover of the camera and then walk away. During this time, the left light indicator LED will blink red continuously. After it stops blinking, the PIR will be activated. Any motion that is detected by the PIR sensor will trigger the camera to capture photos or videos as programmed in the setting menu before. Be sure we have read everything and set up everything before. So video length, interval, PIR sensitivity, and IR brightness parameters, and then you can make a good video or good shots. The PIR is strongly sensitive to an ambient temperature. The greater the temperature of difference between the environment and our subject, the farther the possible sensing distance. So you can choose it and go to sensitive more or less. The CEYOMUR tray camera can take pictures and videos manually in test mode. We press the mode button to choose photo mode or video mode. That's possible too. And on the photo mode, for example, we have on the screen on the left upper side is the symbol for still in photo mode. Then we have the default photos. No? Then on the left bottom side we have the daytime and resolution and the remaining photo capacity, the SD card status, the temperature, and of course the battery indicator. In video mode, there's still the video mode on the left upper side. Then we have the resolution, 1080p for example, if you set up this. Daytime resolution, remaining video length, SD card status, temperature, and battery indicator too. Okay, that's really cool. That's cool because it's so simple to perform this with that device. We can make a side motion sensor on or off. We can make a brightness high, normal, or economics. We can make the PIR sensitivity in the menu low, middle, or high. We can make a time lapse on or off. We can target recording time. That means that on this time, on that day, the recording will start or will stop. You can program this. No problem with that. We can choose a language, English, France, German, Spanish, Italiano, Chinese. Time and date setup, time format, 24 or 12 hour. The date format, a serial number we can see. Temperature unit, beep sounds, because in the default setting it will beep with every button you use, so maybe you make it off. Audio recording on or off. time and date stamp, password protection. That means you can enter a password, a passcode, and this passcode will protect this camera system. The password must be entered when the camera is switched on in the test mode. If we forget the password by accident, 1111 is the all-purpose password, okay? But, okay? Yes, yeah. This is underground information. 1111, and you can enter into it. Master password. The forward memory card is possible. Reset the settings, of course. And of course, we have a replay mode. This is really cool. If it is in not working mode, and that means in test mode, we can push on the mode button and we can now choose what we like to see. We can see what our camera has taken before. Really cool. Then we have good pictures, we have good videos, we have good body here, and of course it's a really good shape because the screen and the length is on the same page. Awesome. This is the really awesome, better wildlife camera because it is an upgraded version by CEYOMUR hunting camera with 120 degrees detection angle and so many awesome possibilities for hunting, wildlife watching, garden, and of course for indoor and outdoor. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.